You ever notice this? You laugh too hard, get excited about something, talk a little louder than usual, and for a second, you're fully yourself. Then suddenly, something hits you. Awareness. Now you're thinking, was I being annoying? Did I do too much? Why did I act like that? And just like that, the happiness disappears and turns into embarrassment. It's strange because nothing bad even happened. Nobody said anything, nobody stopped you, but your brain still reacts like you crossed a line. A lot of people learn this without realizing it. At some point, being too expressive got attention. Maybe someone told you to calm down. Maybe people laughed at your excitement. Maybe you became aware of yourself too early. So your brain slowly created a rule: don't be too much. The problem is, that rule doesn't only block negative emotions, it blocks positive ones too. So the moment you become openly happy, your brain immediately checks, was that acceptable? And once self-awareness enters the moment, you stop experiencing the happiness and start watching yourself instead. That's why the embarrassment feels so fast. You go from being in the moment to observing yourself from outside. And honestly, most people around you probably forgot the moment instantly, but your brain replays it because it felt emotionally exposed. There's also something weirdly vulnerable about happiness. Being excited openly means letting people see the real version of you for a second. No mask, no control. And vulnerability always carries a tiny risk of judgment. But here's something important. People usually don't remember your happiness as cringe. They remember it as real. And the older you get, the more you realize something. A lot of adults aren't embarrassed because they're happy. They're embarrassed because they stopped allowing themselves to be. So if you ever feel awkward after being genuinely happy, maybe the problem isn't that you were too much. Maybe you just forgot what it feels like to exist without monitoring yourself every second.